friends, welcome to the channel. This is Top Educator. Today I am going to solve maths first chapter, that is arithmetic progression. Exercise number 1. First question, that is, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Here they have given some questions and we need to find whether they are in AP or not. The first question, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Here it means that there is a taxi. If we travel in this taxi, we have to pay fixed charge, that is rupees 15 for first kilometer, and for succeeding kilometers it will be rupees 8. Here taxi fare for first kilometer will be rupees 15 and fare for succeeding kilometers will be rupees 8. Here we will get that first term, that is A, will be 15, and as it is rupees 8 for succeeding kilometers, then D will be 8. Now AP is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. So first term is A 15 and A plus D, that is second term 15 plus 8. Now third term A plus 2D, that is 15 plus 2 into 8. Here forms an AP 15, 23, 31, 39. It is forming an AP because there is a common difference of 8. Now next question. Here they have given a cylinder. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Here we need to find whether they are in AP or not. As there is a vacuum pump, it removes 1/4 of the air at a time from a cylinder, and we need to find whether it will form an AP or not. So let us solve it. Let the initial volume of air in the cylinder be V liters. Volume of cylinder be V, and in each stroke, that is at a time, the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So if first term, that is V, and if we remove 1/4 of it, it will be 3V by 4. And if one more time, if 3V by 4 is subtracted by 1/4 of 3V by 4, that is 3V by 4 minus 3V by 4 into 1 by 4, it will be 12V minus 3V by 16. Now you can observe V 3V by 4 and 9V by 16, and so on, it continues. Now you can observe whether there is a common difference or not. D, that is common difference, will be equal to second term minus first term. Now 3V by 4 minus V, you can observe if we subtract from it, then we will get minus V by 4. Now D, third term minus second term. Once more we need to check for the D is equal or not. 9V by 16 minus 3V by 4. Here you can observe by taking LCM, we will get 9V minus 12V by 16, then minus 3V by 16. You can compare this and this. Both are not equal. That means the common difference is not same. There is no common difference. So from the above values of D, common difference is not same between the series. So it will not form an AP. Hence we completed this answer. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. You will get new videos in the following sessions.